We want to find this blue shaded area enclosed between y equals 2x and y is x squared minus 3x. Note across this region that this is above this. We need the intersections, so we want the x value here and here. Put x squared minus 3x equal to 2x. That's x squared minus 5x equals 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is 0, or x is 5. So this is 0, and this is 5. So we want the integral from 0 to 5. This is the top function, so that's 2x. Take away x squared minus 3x dx. So that gives us the integral from 0 to 5 of 2x minus x squared plus 3x, which is the integral from 0 to 5 of 5x minus x squared dx. So that's 5x squared over 2. Take away x cubed over 3 to be evaluated from 0 to 5. And only the top limit is going to give us a value. 0 will just give 0. So that's 125, 5 times 25 over 2. Take away 125 over 3. That's 375 over 6. Take away 250 over 6, giving us 125 over 6 square units.